Hey Shopify sellers, want to boost your store SEO by adding meta tags? So these are titles and descriptions that help search engines and customers find your products faster. So let's optimize your store. You need to log into your Shopify admin at shopify.com. To add meta tags to your homepage, go to Online Store, Preferences for Products or Collections. After that, click Products, select a product or collection. For other pages, you need to go to Online Store, Pages, and pick a page. So Online Store, after that, Preferences. Right, and if you add a product, create one, as you can see, you can add an image and stuff. After that, you can do everything I just said. Also, in the SEO editor, enter a meta title with keywords like best hiking gear, your store name, add a meta description, summarizing the page. After that, include a call to action like shop now. Also, guys, for custom meta tags like Google or Facebook verification, you need to go to Online Store, Themes, and Actions. So you go to Themes, and in here you can do this. And that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Also check X for Shopify SEO tips. See you next time, my friends.